So we're playing slime blocks today, and I don't think it has any rules. Nope. There's a little chicken. 2 chickens actually. So yes. It's called slime blocks. Hope you guys enjoy. See, this is parkour in slime. Make sure you watch my introducing video so you know who I am.
What? You have a short sleeve shirt on or
So,
not? No. Okay.
and I don't want to cheat either, so this might take forever, you guys. You know what? Okay, I'll only do that for like 5 rounds. Only, it seems really difficult for some reason. Oh my god. Did they make this impossible? I hope they tested this, whoever made this. And I'm so glad you did not have your name. Otherwise, I would say this represents a bad map so far. Oh my gosh, yes! I don't think you could die during this. Can you? Okay, this one's really hard, and if I can do that one for a while, I'm probably not going to do this one. But good. And no cheats. I want to see how far I can make it in this video today. If that was easier than the last one, I'm going to be impressed with myself. Don't worry. I know. Do I just think at parkour or what? Oh, and I have golden apples. Really cool how they just give you all this. And I like getting hungry in Minecraft actually. If I'm not in survival. So throughout my channel, we are going to be doing lots of cool things. Whee! Whee! That was so close. Okay, 1, 2, 3. 2. See, this one's more fun than the last one, actually. The last map we ever did was kind of a pain. And make sure... Oh my gosh. Make sure you have a golden apple during this. Golden apple. Okay. I don't want to die. Golden apple. See how cool that is? Just do that. Awesome. Okay.
Came downstairs today and the squirrel was standing there looking through the window. Where's my food? I had to give him some peanuts.
Please.
Give me my food, he said. I'm hungry. It's cold out here.
Okay. You may not be able to make a jump. Okay, and that was amazing. Okay. Yes. Okay. Oh no. This doesn't bounce so high, does it? No. Okay. And jump. No. Okay, let's do this. Dang it. And don't worry, I will be getting some channel art. Well, in this video uploads, I might already have it. So, yeah, make sure to subscribe. Or, you know what? I don't care if you don't subscribe. Well, actually, you kind of do. But it'd be also really cool if you just like our view. Actually, view is the most important out of all of them. Because I'm not going to be greedy. Oh, and it's Christmas time as well, but this may not upload at the time. But I really hope you really like this channel. Give it some support. And the more support I have, the more support, the better off we are. Yes. I'm so glad I didn't have to do that again. But I might do this again. Whee! Well, I stopped it. See, when you know what you're doing, you might have to do it again. So I guess we'll stop this video at 15 minutes maybe. See how far we can get. And if we finish this, that would be awesome. Because really, I'm not verified, so I can only go up to 15 minutes. So that's fine. Most of my videos will be actually 15 minutes. I hope you guys don't mind that. But the shorter clips are for, well, the ones that don't watch YouTube that much. No. The ones that just enjoy little short clips. Okay. Oh, and I basically say have my own pet squirrel. It's awesome. Yes, you guys may think I'm crazy. So most of the time I'm going to be playing on servers or maps, not in regular worlds where I survive or anything. Because I'm not new to Minecraft. Trust me. I love to draw actually. And I have no one to play with on my channel. So, yeah. I think it'd just be me in this channel. Maybe someone else. In Zycraft, I'll also play. Only if I'm playing with friends. Otherwise, yeah. Wait, I'll try that one more time. I can't even make it up there. You know what? I don't want to keep you hanging. Oh, actual parkour. Just what I needed. No. No. Anyways, you guys, thanks for watching this episode. See you next time. Like and subscribe. So yeah. love if you subscribe. Bye.